Right. Welcome to yet another live stream for the Object-Oriented Analysis and Design course. We are really approaching the end of the course today. So yeah, if you haven't noticed already, which I guess you should have, you have a massive set of deadlines today. Yeah, so the fixes for complementary work for assignment number 1, passing grade, are due today. Assignment number 3 is due today for the passing grade. We have an online test going on right now. Hopefully you have already finished and succeeded with that one. Otherwise, last attempt for at least a while is next Saturday. So if you fail this test, you have one more chance in this block, and then we probably take a bit of a pause and maybe, if needed, issue another block of tests somewhere in the future. I'm thinking like before Christmas or something like that. So you have time to study the materials thoroughly for the next set of tests. And we also have the deadlines for the higher grades today. So at least for assignment 1, higher grades are due today, and for assignment 2, higher grades are due today. And you have one more week for higher grades for the third assignment. Yeah, I guess that's about it. So hopefully, if you have done everything for the passing grade and have succeeded with the online test, you can pretty much relax for the upcoming week. I'm betting you have other courses to attend and exams and stuff like that also, so maybe not that relaxing, but anyway, for this course you are ramping down things at least. Taking a look at the course page, maybe we are starting to thinking about grades for the course. And well, as I said in the beginning of the course, we have this little table or matrix of grades, and you simply plug in the grades that you receive and you will see your final grade. So if I go for the third grade for this first assignment, and the third grade for the second assignment, and the fourth grade for the third assignment, then I will receive a B as my final grade. So check this out, make your final adjustments, and maybe it will be possible for you to push through and do something for the third assignment the last week if you so desire. But yeah, check the table and see if it pays off. Yeah, right. I have started to grade the I've started to grade the second assignment. I'm hoping to finish this off during the weekend and or on Monday. So you will likely get some type of feedback in GitLab regarding that. And if you don't pass, you will have to do complementary changes, and the deadline for that will be quite liberal, so everyone has a fair chance to spend some time on the assignment and do the fixes properly. So I'm thinking like 4 weeks or something like that. So don't panic, it's not due like in 1 week or something like that. So we will have you will have some time to get the new courses up and running and things like that, so you don't miss out on the start of the new courses. I will also start reporting grades for the online test in the coming week. So the test is worth 2 credits. So if you have passed that, you have 2 credits in due to be reported to LADOC, and this is just pass fail. So that should be fairly easy to do. But yeah, the grades for the entire course will, of course, have to wait until the final assignment has been checked, and that won't happen in well, after assignment number 2 has been checked, of course, and that has taken a while. I'm hoping that assignment number 3 won't drag on so long. I don't see that I'm really that busy in the upcoming weeks that I have been the last few weeks. So for me, things are actually, I hope at least they are becoming a little less intense for a little while after I have fixed the second assignment. All right. The stream will be pretty short today. I have an important meeting, of course, in like 15 minutes. But what has happened otherwise is that we have continued working on the suggested solution for assignment number 2, the member registry, and at Campus Kalmar, I did implement almost everything of the functionality that was left, kind of like having menus for viewing a member, adding a vote to a member, deleting a vote, and things like that. There are a few functions missing still, but I think you can probably get the gist of how to do things in this application by just looking at what's there. And at Campus Växjö, we have spent some time implementing XML persistence. It's a little bit of a work in progress, and this is of course nothing for you to do for the passing grade, but this was a desire to take a look at, and we managed to implement something. From a design perspective, one interesting aspect was that in this persistence part, when loading the registry from disk, we needed to be able to add members to the registry, but we didn't really want to add a public function so that you can add members from any part of the application. So we did not want to add this add member to the registry class. The solution was using plain old inheritance or generalization, specialization. So when we load things from the XML persistence, the XML persistence actually creates an object of its own internal typed registry that then extends this public registry class, and this internal type has an add member thing. So what we needed to do was we needed to make the list of members or the array list of members protected so that the registry subclass could access that. So that was pretty neat. So you can do a lot of nice things if you just use these principles or things that you have at your disposal, and don't try to make things too complicated. Simple inheritance can do the trick sometimes. But you can take a look at this, study the implementation a little bit. It's still, as I said, a work in progress. So for example, the saving code actually works, but as we were working on the loading code, we did not want to wipe the XML file with kind of like an empty register. So this is commented out for now. But yeah, feel free to check it out, and I will probably just finish this off really quickly next week. All right, that's actually it for me currently. I will probably be available on Slack during the weekend, but I will be bogged down with checking your assignments. So yeah, that's it for now. Bye bye.